Now for each pivot table, we're going to create a chart. So I'm going to select this. Column with a bar like this. I create this. I'm going to remove the axis, the title, the legend. We show the data labels. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to okay, I'm gonna paste this. Okay, here we are. Exit title, more options, text option, exit title. Here we are. I'm going to have primary vertical. Chart title. Then I'm going to do the following. For customer ID, I'm going to filter okay, primary vertical. Then second, we're going to do the following. Here we click on this, hide access title out. We check this out. Then we click on plus. We check this out and we check this. That's good. Then I'm gonna select the series. We're gonna do some so we have more than this. Okay, I'm gonna create this. So for the moment we leave it following. Okay, top customers sales. Okay, so we're going to get more customers at the end. So here we can also outline this. In this gray here. Wherever we can decide for a rectangle. Okay. Shape rectangle. Okay, something like this. We put it back to center back. Okay, we're gonna change also to this color, whatever color you want, or even we can do fill is transparent. Fill, no fill. Yeah, for example, we have this border, no line. Here we are. So we created the same. Control this, insert pivot chart. Okay, again bar. Okay, I'm gonna cut this dashboard. I'm gonna put this here again. I'm going to hide all fields here again. Chart title is out, axis only vertical, not horizontal. Okay, legend is out, read lines, data table like this. Again here, 30%, only 50%. And for this, we're going to change color. We can use this. Fill is not. I type here top representative cells. Okay, I can also put this in bold. Okay, change this like this and increase a bit. Gonna format this. I'm gonna do this the same here. Okay, as we have this is okay, like this. At the top. Okay, we have this now. I'm going to create now other charts. I'm going to create a chart from this. I'm going to do the same here for this one. I'm going to select all this. I'm going to click on insert pivot chart. Here we are. Okay, we are going to do a combo. So for the duration, I'm going to have a line, and for the cells, I have a custom cluster. Okay, here we are. And again, we have axis. We have only the vertical one, grid lines, and legend. All filled buttons on chart. Here we are. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Now again for this one, I'm going to no fill, no line. Okay, I'm gonna copy again this one. Put it over to this. I'm gonna move this one a bit down. I'm gonna change some formatting, otherwise we have all. Going to make it with this green, and this one can be red like this. Make it stay here. Okay. Period. So we have this period. Okay, we're gonna format this. Same is here. Okay, here. We create also this table. Then I'm going to do the last one. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, I'm gonna insert pivot chart, pivot here, and I'm gonna select this one. Cut this here. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Yes. Duration range. Okay, then I'm gonna on here. I'll make it like this. Okay, again, axis, the vertical, no chart title. and here selecting this, no fill, no line. Okay, no fill. I can make it white, and here I go also to, I'm gonna have here grid lines, major horizontal, major vertical. It depends what you need. Okay, so now we created this part. I'm going to here as well, doing the series overlap 50%. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this with this kind of colors. Okay, so we created, oh, maybe it's too much. This one, I'm going to change the color of this, like this. Okay, so we created our dashboard, and then I'm going to use the slicers to create some dynamic effect. Okay, we will see that in the next video.